This is part 2 of Fan Clutch Replacement Guide 2024. Now, we'll dive into testing and troubleshooting to ensure everything is working efficiently. Removing the old fan clutch. Now that you're all set with safety, here's how to remove the old fan clutch. Open the hood. Prop your vehicle's hood open and secure it. Locate the fan clutch. Find the fan clutch attached to the water pump or the engine. Remove the serpentine belt. Use a serpentine belt tool to relieve tension and remove the belt from the pulleys. Hold the water pump pulley. Use a pulley holder to keep the water pump pulley in place. Loosen the fan clutch. Employ a fan clutch wrench to loosen the fan clutch from the pulley. Turn counterclockwise to unscrew it. Remove bolts and screws. Using your socket set and screwdrivers, remove any bolts or screws securing the fan clutch in place. Detach the fan clutch. Carefully lift the old fan clutch out of the engine bay. Take your time with each step to avoid damaging any parts. Installing the new fan clutch. With the old fan clutch removed, it's time to install the new one. Follow these steps. Match the parts. Compare the old fan clutch with the new one to ensure they are identical. Position the new fan clutch. Place the new fan clutch where the old one was, aligning it with the mounting holes. Secure the fan clutch. Using your socket set and screwdrivers, attach the new fan clutch with the bolts and screws. Tighten them firmly but avoid over-tightening. Tighten the fan clutch. Use the fan clutch wrench to screw the new fan clutch onto the water pump pulley securely. Reattach the serpentine belt. Place the serpentine belt back onto the pulleys and release the tensioner to secure it. Make sure everything is tightly secured to prevent any issues. Testing the new clutch. Once you've installed the new fan clutch, it's crucial to test it to ensure it's working properly. Reconnect the battery. Hook up the battery once you've finished the installation. Start the engine. Turn on the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. Check for noise. Listen carefully for any unusual sounds like rattling or squeaking. Monitor the temperature gauge. Ensure the temperature gauge remains in the normal range. Observe the fan operation. Watch the fan to see if it's spinning properly as the engine warms up. If everything seems normal, you've successfully replaced your fan clutch. Following this guide will help you replace your fan clutch efficiently and safely. Remember, taking your time and double-checking each step can make all the difference. Happy wrenching. Common mistakes to avoid. When replacing a fan clutch, it's easy to make mistakes that could lead to more problems down the road. Being aware of these common pitfalls can help you avoid them and ensure a successful replacement. Using incorrect tools. Using the wrong tools can cause serious damage to your fan clutch or even other parts of your engine. It's crucial to have the right tools on hand to make the job easier and safer. Fan clutch wrench. This tool is specifically designed to fit the fan clutch. Using a regular wrench might strip the bolts. Pulley holder. Keeps the pulley in place, preventing it from rotating as you work on the fan clutch. Serpentine belt tool. Needed for releasing tension on the serpentine belt. Not using these tools can result in slipping, breaking bolts, or even damaging the water pump. Always double-check your toolset before starting the job to avoid these mistakes. Improper installation. An improperly installed fan clutch can lead to a host of issues, including engine overheating and fan breakage. Here are some tips to avoid improper installation. Tighten securely. Use a torque wrench to ensure all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Over-tightening can strip bolts, while under-tightening can cause parts to come loose. Align correctly. Make sure the new fan clutch is aligned correctly with the water pump pulley. Misalignment can cause the fan to wobble and potentially damage the engine. Improper installation not only hampers your vehicle's performance but also poses safety risks. Attention to detail is key to avoiding these issues. Skipping the test run. Skipping a test run after replacing your fan clutch is like leaving the house without checking the weather. It's risky. Conducting a thorough test run post-installation can catch any problems early. Reconnect battery. Before starting the engine, ensure the battery is reconnected properly. Start engine and listen. Let the engine run for a few minutes and listen for any unusual noises such as rattling or squeaking. Monitor temperature. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge to ensure it remains within the normal range. Check fan operation. Watch the fan to see if it's spinning correctly as the engine warms up. A test run is your final chance to ensure everything is working as it should. Skipping this step could result in unresolved issues that may lead to bigger problems down the line. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure a smoother, more effective fan clutch replacement. Remember, the right tools, proper installation, and a thorough test run are your best friends in this process. Maintenance tips. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure your fan clutch performs well and lasts longer. Here's what you need to know to keep it in top condition. Regular inspections. Inspecting your fan clutch regularly can help you catch issues before they become severe. How often should you do this? Ideally, you should check your fan clutch every 10,000 miles, or at least once a year. During these inspections, look for loose or worn parts. Check for any signs of wear and tear, such as cracks or frayed belts. Unusual noises. Listen for any grinding, squealing, or rattling sounds. Performance issues. Pay attention to any changes in how your engine cools. By keeping a regular inspection schedule, you can address minor problems before they escalate. Cleaning and lubrication. Keeping your fan clutch clean and well lubricated is essential for its longevity. Dirt and grime can cause the clutch to wear out faster, while proper lubrication ensures smooth operation. Here's how to maintain it. Disconnect the battery. For safety, always disconnect the battery before you start cleaning. Remove debris. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean away any dirt, dust, or debris. Check for leaks. Look for any signs of leaking lubricants. If you find any, it might indicate a seal that needs replacing. Apply lubricant. Use a small amount of high-temperature lubricant on the pivot points, but avoid over-lubricating as it can attract more dirt. Regular cleaning and lubrication help in preventing premature wear and keep your fan clutch running smoothly. Monitoring performance. Monitoring your fan clutch performance can help you catch early signs of failure. Here are some tips to keep an eye on its performance. Temperature readings. Regularly monitor your engine's temperature. If you notice higher than usual readings, it could indicate a failing fan clutch. Listen for changes. Sounds like excessive fan noise or clunking can be early indicators of issues. Visual inspection. Look at the fan while the engine is running. It should spin freely without wobbling. If you notice any of these signs, it's best to get your fan clutch checked by a professional mechanic. Catching issues early can save you from costly repairs later. Following these maintenance tips will help ensure your fan clutch operates efficiently and lasts longer. Regular inspections, proper cleaning, and vigilant performance monitoring are key to keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Replacing your fan clutch is essential for your vehicle's cooling system. Timely replacement can prevent problems like engine overheating, poor air conditioning, and excessive fan noise. We've covered the basic tools, specialized tools, and step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Regular maintenance, such as inspections and cleaning, can extend the life of your fan clutch. Using the correct tools and following proper procedures helps ensure a smooth and safe replacement. Don't wait for problems to escalate. Follow this guide to keep your vehicle running smoothly, improve fuel efficiency, and avoid costly repairs in the future. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.